YouTube has doubled their requirement for monetization as it dey hot now. You know, normally YouTube will tell you 4,000 watch hour. Now it is now 8,000 public watch hour. 8,000. Now for short, you know, short is 10 million in 90 days. It's now 20 million in 90 days. What does that tell you? YouTube is saying that we are getting it right. We are having more than 5 channels, more than this. So it is so easy for us. So they want to downsize, reduce the traffic. And that is why they are saying 8,000 watch hour. Like, see, before I will go in details, a lot of you are the cause of this problem, especially Nigerians YouTubers. Oh, let me tell you how I made. Oh, sorry, let me scrap that. Let me tell you how I got 4,000 watch hour in less than 1 week, in less than 2 weeks. Like, I don't just understand. Are you guys you don't know what they call WhatsApp? You don't know what they call Telegram for you to pass some information. There's some information that does not need to be in the public space, that does not need to be here. Like, it is now 8,000 watch hour. Yes, it can be business for you. You know how much you collect. Now you may want to double it. When will this update or policy start taking effect? From February 2027. That is next year. We have just less than some months to that effect. So if I were you, I would start making sure that I try all my possible best to get monetized in 2026. Because 2027, it will be 8,000 public watch hour. It's not even easy to get 4,000 watch hour. Now they are saying 8,000. I know some persons will not come. Oh, I've seen a way how to go about it. I've done this and that. Please keep it to yourself. Keep it to yourself. Get a Telegram that will pass some information. Don't spill everything to the public. Let me digress a little. You see all those people that used to make content about how to get visa, how to travel, how to do this thing. Let me tell you, sometimes now they are not increasing the bar. They are not adding so many things that it's difficult for some countries to travel to that country because you are making content based on leaking the information. A lot of people that don't have the amount that you want to start calling will start struggling. Let me read it for you so that you can see that it's not capping. YouTube officially announced this update on August 10, 2026, but it will take effect on February 1st, 2027. Subscribers still remain 1,000, but public watch hour will be now 8,000. For short, you will now have 20 million qualified short within the next 90 days, no longer 10 million. If you're already monetized, I know you can be asking, what of those that have been monetized already? It will not affect you. It's those that want to start YouTube in 2027 that this update is for. But my only concern why I'm doing this video, if this video will go viral, is just to tell all these YouTubers that are coach or coaches, please, henceforth, try to use Telegram, WhatsApp to pass some information. Not everything needs to come to YouTube, because YouTube are watching, are seeing, are listening to us. YouTube, since you're listening to me, make this video go viral. Let people see that yes, you have changed the policy. Why? What do you think? Is YouTube encouraging creators to work harder, or is monetization becoming too difficult for new content creator, or is YouTube tired of the money that they are paying us and they want to set the bar high so that a lot of people, they can downsize or reduce a lot of creators? Put your opinion under the comments. 8,000. See you in my next video. If up to now you've not subscribed or you've not followed me, click on the subscribe button so you get notification when my video pops up. See you in my next video. Bye.